Now you might be wondering, okay, all fine and dandy, but how do you attach these? See, there's a metal goodie inside of there, halfway this way, halfway that way. You strip the wire back and you're going to crimp this on. And see, here's a little tool here. You can strip your wires here, right there for the right gauge here, and you can strip it there, and then you can crimp it right there, see, like that. You put this in there like that, and then you smash this down, and then that divots that and holds the wires tight. You know, pretty cool, huh? Yeah, you can do that. I know you can. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.